I'm Kelly. I'm an esthetician and makeup artist at Ulta Salon and Cosmetics, and I'm going to talk to you about putting Vaseline on your face. Putting Vaseline on your face is one of the worst things that you can do for your skin. First of all, Vaseline, it's a petroleum-based product. It's a very large molecule and it cannot penetrate into the skin. So basically what you're doing is forming an occlusive barrier on top of your skin that's not allowing any oxygen in and out of the follicles. So it's very unhealthy for your skin. It's not providing you with any moisture. If you're dry underneath, it's actually locking any moisture out from being able to enter the skin. It's also can clog your pores because it's petroleum based. It's not allowing any oxygen in and out of the follicles. It's not allowing those follicles to breathe, so it can lead to a lot of clogging and to a lot of breakout. Also, if you try to put makeup on top of it, your makeup is not going to go on very smoothly at all. It's going to probably look very gloppy and very cakey. So Vaseline is really not a great product to put on your face. If you suffer from a lot of dryness, I suggest getting a really intensive moisturizer and treating yourself to some hydrating masks. But Vaseline is not a good product to put on your face.